Welcome to Bo's side-by-side comparison on a headrest for back massaging. Now, I'm going to show you right here why you probably don't want something like this. And that's because I can't breathe at all right now, and it pushes my head back like this, and it's not comfortable at all. So don't get something like this that goes right on the surface, throw it away, because we have something far superior. And no, you're not going to do this. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. All right, so it is adjustable and it works for pretty much any beds out there. This, I've already put it together, is going to slide right between the bed frame and your mattress. I actually like to have it down a little bit sloped down instead of up, otherwise it's gonna hurt my neck. You can basically convert any flat surface that's a bed that allows you to sandwich something, you can convert it into a massage table. How cool. So come on down here and take a look at these little dovetail levers. When I push this up and then this up, look at this. The whole thing slides up and down effortlessly. And then once it's in place, you simply put those little dovetail levers down, and it locks into place. So let's see. Oh, that's nice. And I can breathe. This is so wonderful. This is incredible. And I can just kind of relax and just kind of let all of the stress from your day melt away, and there's no pressure on that neck as opposed to other alternatives. Oh, and also, I didn't show you exactly how to adjust this up and down. You do that with another little lever right over here. You simply pop that, and then this can go up and down. It's really easy to adjust. Isn't that cool?